Is a stock market? Pretty easy question, but many people doesn't know how it functions. So in this video, let's clear it up. Let's assume that you came to the local market and you want to buy some apples, and you are the only one person who wants to buy this product. But there are several vendors trying to sell you the same exact product, which is this nice apples. This situation, you control the market because you can come over to all of them and say, hey, that dude tried to sell me this apple for $1, can you beat this price? However, when there is only one vendor trying to sell apples, and there are many people like me who would like to purchase these apples, right? So the price would be controlled by the vendor, and he say, okay, I'm here only the one who sells apples. Let's say that this costs not $1, but let's say 2, 3 or maybe 10. Same exact thing happens on the stock market. Depending whom there is more buyers or sellers, price of the securities stocks fluctuates, either going up or down. This video may seem very basic, but remember that before we master something, we start from the fundamentals.